Is R.V. Shekhar, practicing company secretary. In this video, I am going to discuss about the pushing of UPSC through WhatsApp groups. Will it amount to UPSC under P80 regulation 2015 with some recent case laws? Whether speculation heard on the street and shared on the WhatsApp groups would be an UPSC information under P80 regulation 2015. Passing of unpublished price sensitive information UPSC of Wipro Limited, Mindtree Limited and Asian Paints. SEBI has found guilty two individuals for apparently sharing unpublished price sensitive information UPSC relating to the shares of three listed entities, Wipro Limited, Mindtree Limited and Asian Paints Limited, in various WhatsApp groups ahead of the official pronouncements. Ambuja Cement case. In Ambuja Cement's case also, SEBI penalized two persons in Ambuja Cement's case, WhatsApp leak case. Market regulator SEBI has penalized two persons after finding them guilty of releasing unpublished price sensitive information related to financial results of Ambuja Cements through WhatsApp messages prior to official announcements by the company. In an order, the SEBI levied a fine of rupees 15 lakh each on Neeraj Kumar Agarwal and Shruti Vishal Vora. Ambuja Cements was one of the firms whose quarterly financial results for the third quarter of 2016-17 closely matched with the messages circulated in WhatsApp groups or chats. The quarter results will be closely matching with the WhatsApp messages. Then only SEBI is taking action. Wipro Limited and Mindtree Limited and Asian Paints. In this case, SEBI imposed a penalty of rupees 45 lakh and 15 lakh respectively on Shruti Vora and Prithvi Dalal, both of whom were working for the sales team of Antique Stock Broking. These are in the anti-stock broking, these people were working and these people leaked price sensitive information. SEBI found that these individuals violate the provisions of SEBI Act which prohibit insider trading and communication of non-public information to unauthorized persons. Seizure of documents by SEBI in connection with Wipro Limited, Mindtree Limited and Asian Paints. The case relates to November 2017 where press reports suggested that price sensitive information related to as many as 13 or 12 companies are spreading on WhatsApp groups. During its inquiry, the SEBI seized numerous devices, documents and required details of employees having access to or connection with the processing of earnings related intrinsic technological constraints. However, SEBI could not find the source of the WhatsApp text due to intrinsic technological constraints, but found that the data distributed by Vora through the messages were taken akin to official announcement later made by the above companies. Arguments by notices. Say the defense taken by the notices like Vora. No connection between her or him and the promoters or management of listed companies. There is no connection between her and the management of listed companies. SEBI could not authenticate the leakage of data from the company's personnel or company's employees or auditors or other parties who had access to such data. So there is no connection between them and the promoters of the or employees of the or auditors of the company. Information was based on the gossip spreading in the street, and such gossips are always circulated in the WhatsApp group earlier. SEBI could not prove the source of the data and she had just forwarded the message what she received from her friend. In the past, the information shared by her did not coincide with actual earning. The matching of appraisal with actual earnings was an unusual incident. However, SEBI cherry-picked a few examples to prove charges. SEBI counter arguments. Circulated WhatsApp messages were not estimates but actual exact amounts and precisely paired with the actual financial outcomes of these companies. Exchanges of sensitive information to a selective few to the omission of others is against the investors' interest. Findings Bora and Dalal may appeal to SAT as the SEBI order was based on many contentious findings banked upon these certain facts by SEBI. In this case, passing of UPSC unintentionally without any advantage to everyone, to anyone. So they have passed the UPSC information without with unintentionality and without any advantage to anyone. We have to see how courts will be taking or SAT will be taking the argument made by Vora that she heard on street arguments as a valid defense. SEBI has not provided that WhatsApp group members have benefited due to Vora's UPSC and SAT would definitely sit on it. So SEBI has not proved that WhatsApp group members have benefited it or not. So that is the main contention that SEBI has to prove that those who read those messages have benefited from the UPSC. SEBI's order against the WhatsApp group message may be termed as against bar on the freedom of speech and expression, which is a fundamental right conferred by Constitution of India. How SEBI determines the offence? It was observed that financial figures of Ambuja Cements or Vipro Limited pertaining to the revenue and the PAT circulated through WhatsApp group closely matched with those disclosed subsequently by Ambuja Cement or Vipro Limited on stock exchanges. UPSI against PIT regulations of 2015. According to SEBI, Agarwal and Vora being insiders had communicated the UPSI relating to Ambuja Cements or Vipro Limited to other persons through WhatsApp messages, which is in violation of the provisions of PIT Regulation 2015, for which the notices are liable for monetary penalty. As per the PIT norms, any person who is in possession of UPSI is regarded as an insider. We have to wait and see how SAT is going to consider the decision of SEBI in the above cases if Vora and Agarwal appeal to it. So this is a main important case where any messages heard on street that has been spread through the WhatsApp groups will constitute an UPSI under PIT Regulation 2015 or not. We have to wait and see. And now already SEBI has taken action and levied heavy penalty. Let us see. Friends, if you like this video, please share it, please like it, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I release new videos, it will come to you directly. Thanking you for watching this video. R.V. Shekhar, Practicing Company Secretary.